Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you go about changing your Cash App PIN if you have forgotten your PIN. It's actually not that difficult. So from the home page of the Cash App, what we want to do is go into the upper right hand corner and click on your profile image. And then once you're in your profile page, you want to go down and click where it says Privacy and Security. And from the Privacy and Security page, we're going to go all the way to the bottom and click where it says Change Cash PIN. Now from this page, if you've forgotten your old PIN, what you need to do is go down to the bottom and click where it says Help. And then click the option where it says, I forgot my cash PIN. At this point, Cash App needs you to confirm your identity, so they're going to send you a code either to an email or a phone number, for instance, that you have on file in the Cash App. And this code that they send you, you're going to have to confirm it by entering it into this area. And once you've entered in your unique code, what you want to do is click Next at the bottom. And then they'll ask you to please confirm the last 4 digits of your Social Security number to reset your cash PIN. And once you enter in the last 4 digits of your Social Security number, then click Next at the bottom. And then they're going to ask you to enter a new cash PIN. And then they're going to ask you to confirm your cash PIN. And then you'll get a little green check mark at the end, and you should be good to go at that point in time, resetting or changing the cash PIN in the Cash App. So I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.